and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel IBOL Designing Developer. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Like in previous project, we have learned that how to build one new simple tip calculator project in JavaScript, and I hope you all enjoyed that project. Now, in this project, we'll see that how to build one welcome messages in JavaScript, and I hope you will also enjoy this project like you enjoyed my previous project of JavaScript. So, let's start. Now over here you can see I've just made this welcome messages project in JavaScript. So please first of all, if you're new over here, so please hit the subscribe button because it's really helped me and it's motivate me to make more content like that and more videos for you in coming up future. Okay, so over here I will just show you how to make this welcome messages project. So I will just zoom in so you can see. And now in this project here you can see there's certain name, and in that input here you can see there's certain type your name. Okay, so I will just write like Inshal, and here you can, if you press enter, so it will be not coming. Okay, so here you have to press this message button which is coming over here. So if I just press that, so over here you can see there is coming one message, hello and welcome Inshal. Okay, so if I write any name, it will be just coming. If I write Alex, and if I just do message, so over here you can see hello and welcome Alex, which we name is written. Okay, so this is a welcome messages which we will write. Okay, so I will just go to my brackets text editor for making that, and it is really simple to make. So I will just go to my brackets text editor, and over here I will just go to my image.html file, and over here like previously we have done our all the styling and all the JavaScript codes in only one HTML file. So I will also do that in only one HTML file. So I will just come over here, and now over here I will first of all write h1. Okay, and now over here I will just erase that, and I will just write over here like just erase, and write over here another thing which is called Inshal. Okay, so just come over here and write over here like just write messages. Okay, so I will write messages over here, and now when you've done that, just come on the h1, and over here I will just write like messages, welcome messages. So I will write over here welcome messages, and now just when you've done that, you have to come over here, and now here I will just write first of all h1 tag again. Okay, so I will just erase that now, and now I will come over here and I will write input. Okay, and in this input I will write placeholder, and in this placeholder I will define like type your name. Okay, so I will write type your name, and just come over here above and write over here p tag and just write name like that. And now just when you've done that, write a space over here, just come over here and write over here button, and now when you've just written this button, in that button I will just define like type. Okay, so just write over here message. So I will write message like that. Now hit save over here. Okay, so just write messages or message you can write. So I will just hit save, and now when you've done that, just your HTML work has been done. Just you have to do your work with styling. So I will just write style tag for writing my CSS, and I will press tab. So just come over here and write over here first of all like this tag, and write margin which should be 0 pixel. Padding I will also define 0 pixel. Write box sizing should border box, so I will define border box. Come over here and write justify content in center, and again just write this semicolon and write center, then write align items in center. So I will write align items in center, and now just come over here and write over here like font size which should be 14 pixel, font weight which should be 500, and write over here font family which should be open sans comma sans serif. Okay, so I will write sans serif. Now just come over here, and now here I will write text justify. So the text justify I want of, just erase that and write text justify which should be auto, and just come over here again and write over here like background only which should be white. So I will write white, then come over here, and now just it is good. Okay, so when you have done that, write over here like come and write border. Okay, so I will write border one pic solid white. So I will write white, and now just come over here and write over here body which will be border of one pic solid, and it should also be white. So I will define white, then write the background color which should be like white. So I will define white. Now come over here and write text justify which should be content or auto. I will write, then come over here and write flex wrap should be wrap, and flex direction should be column. So I will write flex direction now which should be column. Now just erase this a from here and write a over here. Now just when you've done that, come over here and write flex basis should be over here auto, and now just come over here and write over here like font size which should be 14 pixel, write font weight which should be like 700, and write over here font family which should be now lobster. So I will write lobster, or you can also write Montserrat, but I will define lobster and just take this L to bigger. Okay. So now when you've done that, just come over here, and here you have to write like background only. Okay, so I will write the background which will be also white. So I will define white color, and I will just write semicolon over here. And now just come over here again, and now here I will write border which we have written. So I will write over here border color now, which should be white. Then come over here and write outline none, and write border none. So I will write border none. Then when you've done that, come over here and write outline none over here also, and border none also over here. Okay, and write border which we have written. So I will write border color now, which should be white over here. Okay, so now just you have to hit save. And now just when you've done these all things, just you have to just hit save, and now it is done. Just when you've done that all, just come over here and write JavaScript codes. Okay, so I will write script, come and write just write over here like that, and just come over here and write function, and write const tag in that, and over here come and write let const equal document dot query selector, and now write over here like document like that. Okay, so I will just write document over here, and now just when you've done that, you have to close that by writing that let function also with equal to document. Okay, so just come and write document dot query selector, and now write over here function because it is a tag of JavaScript. Just come over here and write let, and over here I will write let border and equal document dot query selector. So I will write query selector, and now just when you've done that, just write over here like border, and now when you've done that, just come over here and write border dot add event listener, then come over here and write query, then write query selector. So I will write query selector, right like that, and now just when you've done that, write border dot function. Okay, so just come and write border dot function over here, and just write C over here because the spelling should be correct. Okay, so now when you've done that, just write over here the curly brackets and just go down and just press Ctrl Z over here, write const dot on click, and over here you have to come and write button dot function, write dot selector, and write over here dot, and over here I will come and I will write code point 80, and just come over here and write over here array dot on click, and write button dot selector, and write over here like border dot on click again, and write dot floor. Now just when you've done that, write floor dot random, and write floor dot function tag again. Okay, and now when you've done that, just write like that, and now write over here border dot floor dot function, and write over here floor like that, and write dot function again with that. Now I will just write like that, and now when you've done that, just you have to hit save and close that by writing this column. Okay, and now just hit save and just go to files, and just when you've done that, go to over here, just take new file, and over here I will write, just come over here, and now here you have to write like messages. So I will write messages, and now here when you've done that, just you have to go to Google Chrome, and we will just check that out it's working or not. So just go to Google Chrome, and over here you can see how beautiful our JavaScript messages is looking. Okay, here you can see that welcome messages project we have just made it, and here you can see there it is just calling like type your name. So I will write Inshal, and you have to press this message. Okay, press that, and over here you can see hello and welcome Inshal. So if I write another name like Alex, okay, and over here message, so over here you can see hello and welcome Alex. Okay, and over here if I write like Jordan, any name you want you can write. So over here you can see again it is coming. Okay, so like that you can make your own welcome messages project in JavaScript. So I hope you understand this project, and I hope you also enjoy this project like you're enjoying more previous project of JavaScript. So just you have to practice this all project we are working with, and I hope you will be a good program of JavaScript also like your of Python and HTML and CSS. So just if you want content like that and videos like that, so please subscribe for more videos which will be just coming in future, and I hope you will enjoy that also. So I will just meet you in next project. So for today, goodbye.